Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So in this video, I will tell you how you can generate this type of AI picture for free. Today in this complete tutorial, I will guide you completely how you can generate this type of AI photos for free in just one click or one command. So let's start the video now. First of all, you have to come on a website. It's called lexico.art. When you come over here, you have to create your account here. Click on get started button and continue with your emails. And also if you already have an account, then you can log in over here. And then I have an account, Google account, so I log in with my Google account. And as you can see, our account has been created. Now as you can see, there is many picture I have already generated. So you have to click on generate button. From here, click on generate button and put your command. And also you can give a reference by uploading image here. And also you can choose your dimension by this and this, as you can see. And click your command, right? Mm, now cloud, just write cloud. So let's see what this website generate for me. As you can see, how beautiful image they generate for me, like this one of clouds. And also this one, as you can see how it's beautiful. So you can generate any type of picture from here by just giving a one command. They will generate a complete image for you. So this video is uh, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Bye bye.